Oh, darn. Just lost 2 darts behind the counter thing. Hands where I can see them! Now! Ah! Oh. Ow! It hurts. Ah! Hey! Hey, two! You're hitting all your shots, two! Oh, dude. One of my darts flew back there. I'd have some in my pocket. Yeah, I do. I'm chilling.
I'm missing 2.
Hi.
I'm missing 2.
One. Oh, actually, I just found 2 of mine. I didn't even go back there. I had to give myself 2 new ones. Here, what kind of ammo do you have? I probably have it. Ooh, Tootsie.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Can you find it?
Here. What kind of ammo is it? I probably have it in my pocket. Blue, orange dot. That's opposite. Wait, no, I traded you all mine. I forgot.
I shot it right here. I think it missed and went back here. Yeah, one of them missed you and went back here.
Maybe it's under the tree. Ah, forget it. Game back on. Game back on. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Whoa.
Ooh. Hi, goose.
Hands up, I will shoot. I will.
I don't care. Shoot. Oh, dude, you're lucky that cabinet was there.
Are you on?
Oh, I'm out. Crap.
I want to do that quick, huh?
Oh, well, my darts flew up here. Ow. Oh, my knee hurts from sliding. Oh,
You bounced back right to me.
I know. Hi, Dex. Howdy. Oh, boy, I need to be my shield, boys. Oh, ah, fell. Good boys. Whoa, haha, you didn't hit me. Whoops. Okay. Chill out, buddy. We can be friends. Ow, you shot my hand. Ugh. Hang on, reloading. Did you reload already? Oh, yeah. You're fast.
There's another one.
Ah, right there. I'm missing one. I think I saw it fly somewhere over here. If it's not up here, then I'm going to.
I see it.
You do? I bet. Thank you, sir. Holy, lots of snow. Take some crackers. Is that mine? Mmm. Oh, I found a dart in here. Found a random dart. What you looking at? Okay, let's go kick some boys' butt.
I want to shoot.
I'll shoot too. Ah! I don't know. Okay. Oh no, where'd my gun go? It's right there. I forget where I just shot all my shots at. Right here. Here. Give me my ammo, you little boy. Oh my god, quit stealing my bullets! You rude, impermit. I don't know. Jack poop. Okay, I need two more. I might have to use a spare.
Oh, I see one.
Maybe a spare. Just one. None flew over. Safe and sound. Okay, dude, I'm reloading. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. That is a cool picture. Oh, you guys got up. Who shot my butthole?
Me.
Oh shit, I forgot to pull my thing back. Goldfish. Crap, I'm out.
Oh, I accidentally threw one in the bag.
I know, one of mine landed in the plant. Boogeyman, please don't eat
How many
me.
bullets do you have?
2. 5, I'm missing one. I think I saw one fly in here. Maybe not. Cool. Oh yeah, because I forgot I did a backward shot on you back there. Oh my god, my hands are sweaty.
Hello?
Come on, let's do this like men. Come on. What was that?
No.
Hands, rock,
That's what you're
steel.
doing.
Uh-oh.
How about you hands rock steel? Hands rock steel. I got backup ammo.
My hands are up.
Let's go. Go.
Hey, what about my gun?
I don't care. Go.
Guys, I'm currently being arrested. Where are you taking me, man?
I'm taking you to Gigi jail.
Gigi jail.
Yeah, this is Gigi spot. If you guys
Did you ever
don't know.
download your Red Dead Redemption yet?
Guys, this is the Gigi spot. This is the Gigi
Come on, not the
jail.
dog bed.
Yeah, this is the Gigi jail. Stay in there.
Or else what?
Or else somewhere.
Okay,
Look,
okay.
I got ammo right here. I got ammo right here. And I got ammo right here.
I'm not blind.
Stay in Gigi jail.
No. Okay, I will.
Controller player.
Dude, why are you aiming your gun at me? I'm still on Gigi, or Higgy, Jiggy, whatever it is. Watch this. Oh no, I didn't go that way. You didn't see
Gigi
it?
jail.
I'm in Gigi jail.
Wait.
Easy, man. You could have dropped the GoPro. Got him. Oh no. GoPro fell. Come on, man.